everyone, this is Harminder Suri from Toronto Drivers, your one-stop shop for all the driving solutions. Friends, from today I'm going to start a question and answer series. So if you have any question related to drive test, driving, or traffic rules, then feel free to leave your question in the comment box below and I'll try to address that question in the upcoming videos. So the question for today is, Harminder, my G license is expiring soon and I'm not able to book any road test. What do I do? Well, this is a great question and a lot of people don't know that they can get an extension even after the expiry date of the license. So what I mean to say is, let's say your license is expiring on the 30th of July and there's no dates available. So what you can do is you can go to any drive test center and get an extension. They give you a 40-day extension. 40 days is more than enough for you to find a date for a road test. So they give you a 40-day extension, and or they make sure that they book a test within the 40 days so that you can make one attempt for the road test. So if your license is expiring in the next 10 or 15 days and you're not able to find a date, get an extension. The extension costs you $25, and the thing is you will be able to book a road test, and remember that will be the only attempt for the G test. If you fail in that attempt, unfortunately, then you'll have to start from the G1 test all over again, and I'll address this concern in the next video. What do you do if you fail the last attempt in the G test? But for now, just remember that you can get an extension of 40 days even after the expiry of your license. So if your license is expiring, then go to the drive test center, get an extension, and book a road test. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again with another question.